Hello again, and how are you all doing today? Well, as you know, I've been doing the little spring cleaning in the garage, deciding what I want to keep, what I don't want to keep, and I have come to a conclusion. But it's, I might have to do a little explaining. I have used so many great products from so many different companies. If I throw one away and I keep the other one, if I get all the products from the one brand, then it excludes the other brand, which is also good. So I've decided to keep both. Yes, I've decided to keep both of them. I'm going to go through a couple more brands that have interest me, but for the time being, until I get to that point, I'm going to evaluate the products not based on the brand. I mean, that's important, but based on the individual product. I like Turtle Wax. Turtle Wax has been good to me. It only lasts 2 or 3 months, but it's been good to me. Excuse me. So has Meguiar's Wax. It has also been good to me. But seeing how they're both good in my eyes, I'll have one as my main go-to, and then I'll keep the other one as backup. That way, if I do run low, I don't have to immediately run out and go grab some. And then, of course, there's always a disappointment that when you get to the store to buy some, they don't have any on the shelf. Oh, I'm sorry, sir. We're out of stock on that item. It's back ordered. No, I don't like that feeling. I don't like going to go get an item from the store only to find out they don't have it. It's not coming today. It's not coming tomorrow. It's on order for next week. So you wait till next week. Oh, I don't think they ordered a big supply. It wasn't selling very well. Selling very well? What? Were people lined up outside waiting for this product to come in? Nah, I like to be prepared. No, I do not want to go through that again if I can help myself prevent that. I don't like that feeling. So, to give you a little example of what I'm talking about, here we go. The Turtle Wax Easy Wax and Dry Spray Wax. I like it. It's done good for me. But I can't seem to find the answer to my question as to, can you use the regular Turtle Wax with the ice seal and shine? Don't know. But there is an ice spray wax that I can use with that. So when the time comes, yeah, I'll be updating my Turtle Wax, and I'll also be getting the seal and shine. Now, of course, those come from the same company, so it would make sense that they should be compatible. But not everything I have is from the same company. For instance, the Chemical Guy. Chemical Guy's Sticky Citrus Wheel Cleaner. Oh man, that stuff is, mm, it really works. That stuff is good. It's real good. Spray it on there, sticks to the surface, wet it, agitate it, let it foam up, scrub it down real good, and then it just rinse it off, and it just all comes off and leaves a nice clean surface. And sorry about that, a little excited. You see it says wheel cleaner, right? You see that? It says wheel cleaner. Not all, I know this for a fact, not all products that say wheel cleaner cleans the rims and the tires. So, if you look on the back, on the directions, always rinse wheel surface off with clean water to loosen dirt and debris. Shake well. Spray sticky citrus wheel cleaner gel onto wheel face, inside barrel, spokes, hub, rim, brake parts, and tire. Even though it clearly says on the front of the bottle, wheel cleaner, this stuff is so good. They know it's so good that you can even use it for your tire. It says it right there on the bottle. When you get these all wheel cleaners, please read the instructions. Please read the instructions. Not all of them are designed to clean the wheels and the tires and the rim. When they say the wheel cleaner, they usually mean just the rim. But this stuff lets you know it can clean your rims and your tires. Great product. Great product. Meguiar's Hot Rims Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Another great product. But I don't need 3 of them. As you see in the background, I have Mother's Foaming Wheel and Tire Cleaner. This product also is good at what it does. Wheel and tire. Sometimes you want to wash your car at home. Sometimes you want to wash it at the car wash. Does it matter? Not really. Whatever suits you. Whatever makes your boat float, you go right ahead. But for me, and this is just my personal opinion, for me, I don't need Chemical Guys, Meguiar's, Mother's, and Turtle Wax for wheels and tires. I've tried the Meguiar's, I've tried the Mother's, I've tried Chemical Guys, and I am satisfied with the Mother's. I've always liked Mother's, but in the past, they've been a little too expensive. I got this bottle of Mother's for $5 and some change. I'm not getting rid of it. No. But I'll tell you what I will do. I'm going to finish off my Meguiar's wheel cleaner. And I'm not going to purchase it again. However, I will get the ultimate wheel cleaner because it has the iron remover in it. I'm not saying that I'm always going to need it, but I'd rather have it than to not have it. So, this, once I'm done with this bottle, don't need that. Don't need it. So sorry. Chemical guys and mothers. That's what I'm sticking with as far as my wheel cleaner. It works. They both work in their own little way. I like both of them. I'm going to keep both. I don't know what else to tell. I don't know what else to tell you. Some people are such brand loyalists that they can never say that one product is better than the other product. They have to have everything. If they get Mother's, they have to have everything that Mother's sells. If they get Meguiar's, they have to have everything that Meguiar sells. I tried, y'all. I tried and I failed. I failed myself. If the product is good, the product is good. If I have 3 or 4 different brands and they all offer me something that I like, then I'm going to keep those 3 or 4 different brands. But I'm more interested in the product, not just the name. Not just the name. The brand name is good, but what is the product? What value am I getting out of that product? And our last item is something relatively new in the past 2 years. Disinfectant. Now, on one of my trips to the store, to the auto parts section, I happened to be perusing the section for waxes and cleaners, and I came across Turtle Wax Cleaner and Disinfectant. Stopped me in my tracks. What? Turtle Wax makes a cleaner disinfectant? Is this some kind of protectant or what? Since the advent of the COVID-19 virus, a lot of companies have tried to create some type of disinfectant that can lower your chances of catching corona or eliminate your chances of catching corona. Turtle Wax is one such company. Multi-purpose cleaner and disinfectant. 24-hour surface sanitizing action. And on the back of the bottle, it will tell you all the things that it protects against. Kills cold and flu. Okay? When I saw that made me want to keep reading because it said kills cold and flu viruses. I can spray this in the wintertime? I can spray this in the summertime? I can use this all year round? They still sell this, people. They still sell it. I used half bottle, realized how much I liked it, and I went back to go get some more. I went to 2 different Walmarts, a dollar store. That's how bad I wanted this product. Could not find it. I'm not trying to waste a whole bunch of gas going all over the state trying to find one bottle. And I'm not trying to buy the most expensive version of it. Because let's face it, when you go to a parts store, that's what they specialize in. Car stuff. So it's going to be, a lot of products are going to be higher. It's going to cost more there than if you went to Walmart. That's just the way it is. So, seeing how I couldn't find it, I waited about a week, 2 maybe. Went back to Walmart, still didn't have it. Went to another Walmart, they didn't have it. But what I did find was Armor All. Yes, I found that Armor All. It's like every time I tell myself, you know what, I don't need all these products, I'm going to stop using Armor All. I'm going to try something different, try something new. Armor All been around for generations. They'll be all right. They can live without me. And then they come out with a new product. Or they come out with a new improved version of an old product. Like, okay, I got to try it. I got to make sure I'm not missing out on nothing. So, I picked up the Armor All disinfectant spray. Like, doesn't say how long it lasts. I read the back of the bottle. Still didn't say how long it lasts. But similar to the turtle wax, it did say 5 to 10 minutes depending on how you want to use it. And it's clearly marked on the directions. You can use it as a cleaner. You can use it as a disinfectant. You can use it as a sanitizer. Which, if you're sanitizing, technically you're cleaning. Yeah. But yeah, just read the instructions before you buy it to see if this is what you want. I haven't really looked at other brands to see if they carry anything similar, but I do know Armor All still makes disinfectant spray, and so does Turtle Wax. So if you love your Armor All, you can't see parting ways, Armor All got you covered. If you love your Turtle Wax and you don't want to live without it, Turtle Wax got you covered. So either way, it's a win-win for everybody. Now, I don't know if Meguiar's has it. I don't know if Adams or any of these other detailing companies have a disinfectant. Won't hurt to check it out. Next time I'm up in Walmart, I guess I could take a peek. But if you get to Walmart before me, check it out for yourself. And with that, my good friends, stay safe, drive safe, and I'll see you out on the road.